If you're a tech enthusiast, you must join Emily on her journey to build an AI chatbot from scratch. In a world where technology is rapidly evolving, one young developer set out on an exciting journey to create her very own AI chatbot. Meet Emily. She's about to discover the incredible power of AI, one step at a time. Emily realized that many chatbots lacked the personal touch and understanding she wanted, so she decided to create her own.
What if I could build a chatbot that truly understands and interacts with users on a personal level?
The first step was planning and research. Emily knew she needed to choose the right tools and technologies to bring her vision to life. After extensive research, Emily chose the OpenAI GPT-3 model for its advanced natural language processing capabilities. With the right model chosen, it was time to dive into the technical details. Emily started with the backend. She decided to use Python for its simplicity and extensive libraries. Using Flask, a lightweight web framework, Emily set up the server to handle API requests.
Flask will help me manage the server-side logic efficiently. Now let's connect it to the OpenAI API.
Connecting to the OpenAI API, Emily enabled her server to process user inputs and generate intelligent responses. Next, Emily turned her attention to the front end. She wanted a user-friendly and engaging interface. With HTML for structure, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for interactivity, Emily brought her vision to life.
This interface needs to be intuitive and visually appealing. Users should enjoy interacting with the chatbot.
Integrating the front end with the back end, Emily ensured seamless communication between the user's input and the AI's response. With the initial version ready, it was time for testing. Emily invited friends and family to interact with her chatbot, gathering valuable feedback. Based on their feedback, Emily refined the chatbot, enhancing its capabilities and improving the user experience. Finally, the moment of truth. Emily launched her AI chatbot, eager to see it make a difference. The response was overwhelmingly positive. Users appreciated the personalized interactions and seamless experience.
This chatbot feels so real and helpful.
Emily, you've created something amazing.
Emily's journey didn't just end with a functional chatbot. It opened doors to new opportunities and inspired others to explore the potential of AI. In a world where AI is becoming increasingly important, having your own chatbot can revolutionize how we interact with technology. Just like Emily, you too can embark on this exciting journey. So, are you ready to create your own AI chatbot? Start today and see where it takes you. Subscribe to join Emily on her journey and discover the incredible potential of AI chatbots. Share your own AI chatbot experiences in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to innovate and create.